Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news as well as a wonderful opportunity providing by the DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization from Ministry of Defense. So what is that opportunity is that DRDO is providing the postgraduate programs, regular postgraduate programs on the defense technology. That means you are going to get the regular PG courses on the defense technology providing by the DRDO, and under this defense technology the different programs are there. So you may take any one of the program and you may finish the post graduation and you can obtain the degree also, guys. And from this degree you are having the lot of opportunities are there to get the job in the DRDO or else the defense technology related organizations. So that's why I'm telling that it will be the wonderful and immense opportunity, guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be really helpful to them. And to get the more notifications and the updates regarding this one, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and give me one like for this video, guys. And watch the video until the end to get the complete details regarding this press release by the DRDO regarding the postgraduate programs. Coming to the present content of the video. So it is the official website of the Defense Research and Development Organization. So from this official website here, if you go to the press release blog, you can find out the DRDO and the AICTE launch regular MTech program in defense technology. So here the link is also provided. Okay, so just click on this link and then you will be directed to the details regarding this one, guys. So Ministry of Defense, DRDO and AICTE launched regular MTech program in defense technology, and we got this notice on 8th July 2021. That means just a couple of days back. A regular MTech program in defense technology has been launched by DRDO and All India Council for Technical Education to impart necessary theoretical and experimental knowledge, skill and aptitude in various defense technology areas. And Secretary Department of Defense and Chairman DRDO Dr. G. Satish Reddy and Chairman AICTE Professor Anil the program during a virtual event organized by the AICTE New Delhi on July 8, 2021. The program will motivate the aspiring engineers to start their career in the defense technology. Fine. And next, this MTech Defense Technology program can be conducted at any AICTE affiliated institutes or the universities. Okay, that means AICTE institutes are there from all over the India. So if you belongs to any state from the India, then please check out which AICTE affiliated college is providing the defense technology. Based upon that one, you can join for the PG program. And in IITs, NITs or private engineering institutions also, Institute of Defense Scientists and Technologists will provide the support to the institutions for conducting this program, which can be conducted in online as well as the offline formats also. That means defense scientist and the technologist will help to you for this program. Okay, the classes are going to be conducted whether in the online as well as the offline formats also, and total 6 different specialized streams are there. First one is combat technology, next one is aero technology, next naval technology, communication system and sensors, and directed energy technology and high energy materials technology. Fine. So these are the different departments or also streams in the defense technology, guys. The students will also be provided opportunities to conduct their main thesis work in DRDO laboratories also. That means you can do your project work in the DRDO laboratories. I think it will be the wonderful opportunity, guys. So defense PSUs and industries, the program will be helpful to the students seeking opportunities in ever expanding defense research and manufacturing sector. Okay, so it is the opportunity. And next, Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh has congratulated DRDO and AICTE and industries for starting a postgraduate program in the defense technology. He said the program will help in achieving Atmanirbhar Bharat, okay, started by the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. And in his address, Dr. G. Satish Reddy congratulated the DRDO and AICTE and industries for evolving the PG program. So he expressed hope that such a specialized program will enable the creation of a large pool of talented workforce for the defense sector. He called upon the industry leaders to extend their support for this program and offer opportunities to the students. And Professor Anil D expressed happiness over the launch of the program and said that it will not only generate the skilled manpower pool in defense technology, but will also create the spin-off benefits in terms of new defense startups and the entrepreneurs also. And the chairman and managing director Bharat Limited, Shri Baba Saheb Kalyani, congratulated the DRDO and ACT for initiating this program. Okay, so it is a poster they released, guys. Welcome to launch of MTech in defense technology. Okay, so Dr. G. Satish Reddy, Secretary, DDR&D and Chairman DRDO, and Professor Anil D, Chairman of the ACT. Okay, so virtual launching was done on 8th July 2021. So initiating defense technology education from vision to the reality. So total here the 6 specializations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, those specialization names already I told you. Fine. So these are the details regarding this PG programs in the defense technology as well as its 6 different streams, and you can work for your project work in the DRDO laboratories, defense PSUs and the industries, and after completion of your postgraduate program there are a lot of opportunities are there. I mean there might be opportunity to get the job in the DRDO or else the DRDO associated organizations. Fine. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, it will be the wonderful opportunity to them. And to get the more notifications and the updates regarding this one, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250. And for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.